add depth and impact to your still images with a simple click. You can pan, you can zoom, you can tilt up and down, and you can rotate your photos. Share them on social media and gather all those likes from your friends and family. So let's see how this works. Moving photos has actually been around for a little while now, but it's tucked away under the Enhance menu. So open your photo in the editor and go to the Enhance menu and choose Moving Photos, and you'll see this dialog. I've already cropped this image into a square format, which I find works well on my social media pages, particularly things like Twitter and Instagram, but really this will work with any sort of format or aspect ratio. So choose the format that you prefer. And if you look on the right, you can see that we have all these presets which we can choose, and these are all based on Adobe Artificial Intelligence and 3D, and you just simply double click to apply an effect. So if I choose this one, zoom in and double click, and you can see the generating preview dialog is working on the photo. It takes a little while to generate the preview. It depends really on the power and the memory of your machine. So we'll just leave it working and see how long this takes. It's normally not too long, and I think it helps if you crop the photo to a reasonable size. This one I started with 1080 by 1080, which is ideal for the web, and there you get the preview, and you can start to see the zoom effect. And you can experiment with any of these. Let's try this one, pan left right. So double click on this, and again it should update the preview. It may take a little time once again to take effect. And once you have found something that you like, one of the effects that you like, you can simply click on the button to export. That's the panning effect. So let's stick with that, and let's click on the export button. And there's two formats. You can save it as MP4 file or as a GIF or GIF file. I normally choose this format for my social media pages. So let's give this a name that I haven't used. I'll just call this wedding, and then click save. You could perhaps use the MP4 format if you wanted to. We'd need to click this dialog to complete the process, and there's usually a choice of sizes, whether you want a larger GIF file or a smaller GIF file. So you need to experiment with that. And what I was saying was that you can use the MP4 format if you have a video editor and say you wanted to mix the GIF files, the MP4 file with other video clips. It's quite useful for that. So let's just go to the saved file and just check to see how it looks. And there we have it. And you can see the movement in the web browser. It's slightly cut off at the top, but I think you get the idea. So let's close all that down, and we can click cancel because we are done with this. You also have the option to toggle between 3D and 2D, so you might prefer the standard 2D effects. So play around with it and see what you like. And once again, this is a very quick video tip, but thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye for now.